Hello! In this video, we'll take a look at the best 3D printers currently available on the market. We spent 300 hours researching and evaluating the top 20 3D printers using external tests and reviews. With the help of our TÜV certified quality management system for testing and comparison procedures, we are able to present to you the best 3D printers in these categories. The best 3D printer for beginners, the best 3D printer under 300 euros, the best 3D printer under 500 euros, the best 3D printer under 1000 euros, and the best 3D printer for advanced users. Accordingly, it is important for us to show the best option for each target group so that it perfectly fits your requirement profile. Let's get started. For us, the best 3D printer in the beginner category is clearly the Kaxu 123 from Kaxu. You can buy this printer for just under 90 euros. The printer is portable and small, perfect for beginners, and even kids can have fun with it. You can print small objects with it. There is an included model for a test print, and you can also create your own designs. It takes only 5 minutes to assemble, and the 3D printer works in a silent mode, under 60 decibels. The 3D printer has passed various certifications and quality assurances. This great 3D printer for beginners is definitely worth the price. In the next category, the best 3D printer under 300 euros. We were completely convinced by the Ender 3 V2 from Comgrow. This 3D printer uses a 32-bit silent motherboard developed in-house, which offers stronger noise immunity, faster and more stable motion performance, quiet printing, and low decibel operation. The power supply here is hidden inside the machine, making it much safer than similar products. The printer has a great user interface and a color display, which makes it easy to use. You can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after unexpected power outages, which saves time and reduces waste. All in all, a great product at a great price. The third category is about the best 3D printer under 500 euros. Here, the Rex 3D printer from Bresser is the clear frontrunner for us. The printer costs around 470 euros and is thus in the midfield in terms of price. It is a high-quality 3D printer with an integrated HEPA filter for clear ambient air. The printer has a closed print housing with shatter sensor and heatable changeable print plate and is suitable for all common filaments. An online monitoring camera is integrated in the housing to monitor the printing process externally. Operation is possible via intuitive touch display with connection via WLAN, USB, or cloud function. There is also an automatic print pause when the filament runs out. Now we come to the expensive area. In the fourth category, everything revolves around the best 3D printer under 1000 euros. Here, the Foton Mono X from Anycubic comes out on top. It costs just over 800 euros and is thus almost twice as expensive as the printer from the previous category. It comes with an unbeatable 3840-2400 monochrome HD 4K screen. The maximum print speed is 60 mm per hour, which is 3 times faster than the normal LCD SLA 3D resin printers. The printing accuracy is excellent thanks to this display and matrix light source structure with more uniform exposure. This 3D printer can even be controlled by app. Moreover, it can also monitor the printing progress. Last but not least, we come to the best advanced 3D printer in the fifth category. For us, this is clearly the Rex 2 Wi-Fi printer from Bresser. This printer is good when your printing needs get more complex and elaborate. However, it's also by far the most expensive 3D printer we offer here, costing just under 1500 euros. It is robust, professional, and durable FFF 3D printer, and the intuitive operation via the integrated 5-inch touchscreen allows you to get started quickly. The permanent high print quality is ensured by the precision made all-metal frame construction, the enclosed build space, and the advanced air circulation system around the extruder. The printer has a print size of 25, 28, 30 centimeters, making large projects no problem. And that's it, our 5 best 3D printers. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. That way, you'll be sure not to miss any of our other videos. You can check out the products on Amazon using the links in the description. Most of them were heavily discounted at the time the video was made. If you want to save, It is worth it to check quickly and see the current prices. We are already looking forward to welcoming you back in the next video.